welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out a new-ish palette from Beauty Bay. So it's the Utopia palette. This is actually a collection, but I just picked up the palette. So this is a pressed pigment palette. So packaging's like this, and then it's a smallish palette with 8 pans in there. Really nice colours. And if they're anything like the other Beauty Bay palettes, they'll be really pigmented as well. Well, fingers crossed. So I'll give these a quick swatch for you. Okay, so here's the swatches. These are really nice. They swatch lovely. So we have, I want to say Halcyon. I'm not sure if that's right, but that's this one. Bliss, Eden, Midsummer, Dreamland, Blaze, Serene and Paradise. So yeah, from the swatches, these are quite promising. I'm quite looking forward to putting these on my eyes now. Yeah, lovely, lovely colours as well. I also picked up, I did want to get the liquid liners to go with this, but they weren't in stock. I don't know if they are now. Basically, I had the same issue that I had the last time I placed an order with Beauty Bay, where my order got lost in the post with Hermes. So it took about a week and a half to get to me, which was a bit disappointing because I did actually order this when it first came out. But yeah, hey ho. So anyway, so I also ordered the Sample Beauty liquid pigment liner set. So with this one, I got 5 colours. So they all come separately. So I got Brisk, Brittany, Psychedelic, Duckling, and I think it's Misha. So I'll swatch these ones as well for you. So with those, you also get a multi-use setting liquid. So this is a setting spray and a mixing liquid. So you get a pump in there. So if you want to use it as a setting spray, you obviously just stick that in the bottle and you can use it like that. I bought it to use it with the pigment so that I can make them into a liquid liner. But yeah, it's multi-use. So what I'm going to do with these to swatch them, I'm going to mix them with the solution and then I'll just do swatches on my arms just so that you can see the colours, and then we'll crack on. Honestly, my head's all over the place. I'm filming, I've just had a phone call and it's completely put me out of whack. So you're going to have to bear with me while I get back into the swing. Right, so I've done them here and I didn't realise there's actually 2 mattes and 3 shimmer ones. But the pale one is Brisk, the pink one is Psychedelic, the green, which I really like, is Brittany. The yellow one is Duckling and the dark blue is what I think is called Misha. Yeah, so they did seem quite good actually from the swatches. They're quite easy to use and to mix up, and they didn't seem to bleed even on my arm where obviously I've got hairs. So yeah, let's get it on. Do you know, I always think about going, let's get it on. Yeah, maybe not. So I think what I'm going to do is kind of go for a bit of a rainbow look today. So on my crease, I'm going to try and do 3 colours. Yeah, why not? Right, so inner part, I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to use this one here. So Paradise. How nice is that blue? Yeah, and as suspected, really pigmented. Nice. Right, so next to that one, I'm going to go in with this purple one here called Dreamland. Beautiful. Oh, nice. Right, and then on the outer corner, I'm going with this pink one, which is Bliss. Lovely. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is just give those a little blend, but then I'm going to take it a little bit higher afterwards as well. yeah, just so that you can kind of see it really, because I've got hooded eyes. So yeah, nice. So what I've done is I've just taken a clean fluffy brush and I've just blended that edge as well, just so it didn't look so harsh. So next what I'm going to do is just cut this crease here. So what I've actually done is taken a nude shade and I've just set this down because I want to leave this as it is just here. So I'm going to go in on this very outer corner with this one here, Serene. So it's kind of like the indigo bluey purple. I just want to pack that on and then I'm going to kind of smoke it in a bit. I'm just making this up as I go along, you know. I've got an idea in my head, but I've never done it before. So kind of like that. So I've just kind of tried to wing it out a bit, but obviously make it a bit more smoky as well. So I'm going to go in. I've picked the, I think it's called Misha. I'm probably saying it completely wrong, but I'm going to say that anyway. So this is the kind of darker sparkly-ish blue. I'm just going to mix this up. Right, so what I'm going to do with this is I want to kind of do it along where that crease is. Oh, I hope this goes to plan. I'm not very good with eyeliner and I've never even attempted anything like this. So kind of like that. It's gone on better than I thought. But yeah, it's taken me a lot longer. Believe me, I had to pause and take my time. And I just had to clean up a little bit, sort of round here where I went a bit wobbly. But yeah, it's all right. It's different. Right, so underneath, I think I'm going to go with that purple that I put in the centre there. So the one that's slightly lighter than this one. So yeah, that's quite nice actually. Very, very different for me. But yeah, so the next thing I'm going to do is just go and pop some lashes on and lippy, and then I'll be back. And here is the finished look. So yeah, it is very, very different for me. I did try to push my boundaries a little bit, well, more than a little bit. And I'll be honest, I'm not sure if I like it or not. Do let me know. I was just trying to really test the palette and the pigments and yeah, just see how they perform more than anything and have a little bit of fun while I was doing it. But the palette is really, really good. Just like the other Beauty Bay palettes that, well, I think I've only tried one on my channel, but I have tried them in the past before I started doing this. So yeah, I think this is really, really good, really pigmented, blends really nicely. Yeah, that was £10. And then the pigments, yeah, there was no bleeding, really easy to mix, as I said before. And yeah, I really like them. So here's a quick close-up of the eyes. They're nowhere near perfect, but yeah, it's just fun. So as usual, the products that I've used in the video will be listed in the description box below. Just click that link and it will take you straight onto the items if you're interested. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and it would mean the absolute world to me, and I'd really, really appreciate it if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. I'm actually nearly at 1,000 subs now, so please remember to sub if you want to keep watching me, of course. Other than that, thanks for watching. Bye!